Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. NCB has launched a $207 million bid to take a majority stake in Guardian Holdings. The bid was announced earlier today, with NCB telling Guardian Holdings they have until February 7 to respond. NCB is seeking 32% of Guardian shares, numbering over 74 million. It has offered US $2.79 for each. If successful, NCB will increase its stake in Guardian to 62%, which will be a controlling interest. At a minimum, it wants 50% of Guardian. The acquisition is subject to regulatory approval. Jamaica's trade deficit widened by 2.4% between January and October compared to the same period last year. Data from the Statistical Institute of Jamaica highlighted that the deficit now stands at $3.5 billion. This year, the country spent $4.9 billion on imports. That's a 9% increase over last year. Revenue from total exports came in at $1.4 billion, up 29%. Meanwhile, Statin is reporting that the economy grew by 1.1% in the third quarter of 2018 when compared to the previous quarter. This was due to increases in both the services and goods-producing industries of 1.3% and 0.7% respectively. Currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $127.71. The Canadian is being sold for $91.53. The pound is costing $159.03, while the euro is going for $140.60. Oil will end the year at around around $45 per barrel. For the year, oil is down 25%. The JSE Index gained 10,028 points today, and the Junior Market Index went up by 64 points. Among the winners, 1834 Investments, Access Financial Services, Barita Investments, CAC 2000, Elite Diagnostic, Grace Kennedy, Indus Pharma, and Jamaica Broilers. On the losing side were Blue Power Group, Carib Cement, Derrimont Trading, Fosrich, General Accident Insurance, Iron Rock Insurance, Jetcon Corporation, and the KLE Group. And that's the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.